Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SPDR by State Street for ETF research, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with SPDR by State Street, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the SPDR website. Once on the home page, locate the Research or Insights tab in the menu. Click on the tab to access the Research section. In the Research section, look for the option to register or sign up. Click on the Register button. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Once verified, click the Submit button to send your registration request. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your information. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will direct you back to the SPDR website, confirming your registration. Log in using your email and the password you created. Now you have access to SPDR's comprehensive ETF research tools and resources. Explore the various features available to enhance your investment strategies. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to make the most of your research experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.